Everyone, today we are going to start the revision of chapter 1, The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. For better understanding of the chapter, I have sent you an animated video today. Please go through the video. I hope that you will like it. But then also, let me share the summary of this chapter. What you have seen in this lesson. The lesson is all about the modern kids, right? Modern technology, how it will change our life. The story is between Tommy and Margie and of their mechanical schooling time, right? That we can say. The lesson you have already seen in class 8, but here it's the same story. Let's enjoy this. Margie was an 11-year-old girl and Tommy was somewhat elder than her. Both were school-going children, but actually not school-going children. Why I can say this? Because both were learning at their own home on computer. There were no real school. There were no real teacher. They have to study everything through computer. Day by day, different subject teachers were coming on the screen. They have to submit their assignment or homework or project, and they have to learn. They have to go further for learning process. So this was all about. Margie was really hating the school. Don't know what was the reason, but she was not comfortable with some of the subject, as she found that the explanation or her capacity of learning that subject was not so good. Margie's mother was also not very much happy with the result which Margie was getting. One day Tommy found a real book. So when both the kids were looking into this real book, they found that it was interesting. Second thing, letters were not moving from this book. Okay, all printed letters were as it is. The book has become rough as it was very old book, but then also letters were quite visible. So Tommy later on informed Margie that when their grandfather's grandfather were going to school, it was completely different type of school than theirs. They have to go to some place, their school buildings were there, real teachers were there, human beings, kids were there of same age, and they were studying in different classes as per their age group. So this was all about. Then Margie told she was very much surprised by knowing that was there any real school in the past and children were going to the same place for study. So she thought that how it would be fun for everything. They could enjoy, they can play. If they have any query, they can ask to the teachers. Right now you have also become Margie and Tommy. Yes or not? Everything you have to learn at home on your mobile screen or computer screen. But I don't think that you would have any fun in that. When you will come back to school, I hope we would have lots of fun studying together, learning together. It's a amazing experience and nobody can be compared with that. So this was all about the lesson. Let's see the now question answer of the lesson. I would say that please don't do this from 1 to 7 question answer. No need to do. These are very small question answer, and I don't think that IMP also. We are going to start from this. This can be asked as a reference to context also. Please look at here. Brief question answer are there. From here, let's see the question answer one by one. What kind of teacher did Margie and Tommy have? Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. Mechanical means we can say robotic type. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers in the form of a computer. There were no real teachers. The teacher had a big black screen on which all the lessons were flashed and the questions were asked. The teacher also had a slot where students had to put their homework and test paper. So this was all about the system. Let's go for second one. What did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? If you have any problem on the screen or in computer, you can contact to county inspector. He or she visits your home and do the repairing if needed. The mechanical teacher had been giving, right? The mechanical teacher had been giving Margie tests continuously in geography, due to which Margie had not doing well in the test. If continuously we are giving you tests, then I think one time it will come, then you do not have any interest in that particular subject. So here the situation was there. Margie was not doing well in her geography, and that's why Margie's mother was worried about her. This worried Margie's mother, so she called the county inspector to check what was wrong with Margie's mechanical teacher. Okay, so that's why she called for county inspector, just to find out that what is wrong with her mechanical teacher, so that if any problem is there, county inspector can solve it. What did he do? The county inspector fixed the mechanical teacher and adjusted geography sector to the level of a 10-year-old child, Margie's level. So, do you understand, children, what was the problem? The level was above Margie's level, right? And that is why she was facing lots of problem in solving the test paper. So, county inspector not do anything else but just adjusted the level according to Margie's level. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Margie was doing badly in geography because the geography sector of her mechanical teacher was set a little too quick. So Margie was unable to understand it properly. If something is going beyond your imagination or beyond your level, then I think you will also face the problem. Yes, same thing was there with Margie. Then what county inspector did? The county inspector helped Margie by slowing down the geography sector of her mechanical teacher, so that she could understand it properly. Okay, so what county inspector did, beta? He just adjusted the level as per Margie. Okay, what had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Okay, one incident was there with Tommy also. Once Tommy's teacher was taken away for nearly a month because the history sector of the mechanical teacher had a problem, right? If there was any problem by the mechanical teacher, it may like a punishment or relaxation for student. It was nearly taken for the month, and that is why Margie was also very much happy. Why she was happy? She thought that if I am not doing well and my geography section is not going good, so maybe for nearly 1 month she would get relaxation. Did the Margie have regular days and hours school? If so, why? Yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school. Margie had to attend her school at the same time every day, except for Saturday and Sundays. That means Monday to Friday she was busy with her study. Her mother ensured this because she believed that little girls learnt better if they learned at the regular hours. It is quite true that your study must be regular, beta. It is not like whenever you are interested, you sit for the hours long, and when you are not interested, you just get up and do the other activity. Your study hour must be fixed. I think this lockdown has taught us this thing only, that if we follow a certain timetable, then certainly there will be a fruitful result. Next is that, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school, right? Tommy described that the old kind of school existed centuries ago, right? Where the teacher was a man, means human being, instead of mechanical teacher. All the students went to special building where they all learned the same thing according to their respective ages. I think I no need to say many things about a school, today's school type. You are knowing that very well. How does Tommy describe the old kind of teachers? Tommy described that the old kind of teachers were human beings who taught in a special building where all the kids went together. The teachers told the kids about several things, gave them homework and asked them questions. So this was all about the fun they had, brief question answer. I would request you that after this video I am going to send you some of the tick mark question answer. Please do that tick mark question answer because these are some of the IMP question answer for essay 1. Thank you very much.